So I'm back with another video. First step is moisturize my face. फेस को कभी भी मत भूलना मॉइस्चराइज करना। और उसके बाद मैं ये स्किन टिंट फ्रॉम इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक का यूज़ कर रही हूँ। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड अफोर्डेबल स्किन टिंट आई हैव एवर यूज्ड। अगर आप फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा लगाना नहीं पसंद करते दैन दिस इज़ द ग्रेट ऑप्शन यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर। बहुत ही अच्छा है, डेली मेकअप कीजिए और थोड़ी बहुत ही आप इससे कवरेज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं। इफ यू आर नॉट ए फाउंडेशन गर्ली एंड वांट सीमलेस एंड स्किन लाइक फिनिश देन दिस इज द ग्रेट ऑप्शन, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस। Moving toward my next step, contouring my face. For this I'll be using here Swiss Beauty contour stick. Actually it's a dual stick, you will get both bronzer and concealer on both side. And for the chiselly effect I'm applying on my forehead, my jawline and on my cheeks. Now to get flush of color I'll be using here Swiss Beauty product. It's a liquid blush and you can see I'm using very light hand and apply very softly on my cheeks to get that soft dewy effect, not harsh, not on the top, just a light effect. For me the most important step is to fill my brows. You know, I have very thin brows and it's very important for me to fill every time I do my makeup. For this I am using here Mars eyebrow pencil and then setting my face with this K Beauty powder. Moving toward my eye makeup, for this I am using here Rene brown kajal and roughly applying on my lid and smudging it with the brown shade from Cuffs and Lashes eyeshadow palette. And on top of that I'm using a peach orangish kind of shade. On top of that I'm applying a brown shimmer and same process on my lower waterline to get that smoky effect, and a little bit of shimmer on my inner corner and good coat of mascara. By the way, mascara is from Maybelline and lip liner is from Miss Claire. It's a beautiful brown shade and this lipstick is just a gem. It's from Swiss Beauty. The shade is just awesome. Again I'm filling my lips to get that desired result and setting all the makeup with this Faces Canada setting spray, and tada, this is the final look. My kids are just there and I have to end this video. Bye bye, take care, love yourself.